Hello guys, welcome back. This is Karen. Today let's do a jewelry making video. The next hot festival is Valentine's Day and I want to show you something special for this Valentine's Day gift. Instead of making a necklace with the same bead size, how about making it with different bead size? Wow! You know what these are? Yes, aquamarine. Yeah, it's funny. Some followers, they told me they were not interested in aquamarine until they watch my YouTube videos. Like they've never seen such pretty sparkling aquamarine before. I know it's kind of rare. Yeah, so I will make this aquamarine necklace with a new screw clasp made with 925 sterling silver. So the first step is to put every bead in the right position. What do you call this style in English? In China we call it tap lin. Yeah, I just want to learn some English words that I never heard of. This time I will use a light blue braided cord in 0.4 mm because we have small beads like 4 mm. Yeah, we need to make sure the bead can go in with double cord like this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.